Good morning, children. We have calculated mean, median, mode by different formulas, and also we have done missing frequencies by using the formulas. Now we have to study about then there is an empirical relationship between these three measures of central tendency. That means 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. You have heard already this word empirical relationship and all, that is experimental way only. While doing the experimental way, there is a formula derived that we can calculate 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. By using this one, if you know any two values, if you know mode and mean, then you can calculate median. If you know median and mode, then you can go for mean also. So that is why this is required, because sometimes the question will be asked for mean, median and mode for the data. So any two which is easy for you, that you can calculate by using the formula. Third one we can calculate by using this empirical relationship. What is the formula? 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. Anyway you can write. If you want to write for mode, then 3 median minus 2 mean. So that way also you can write and you can calculate the formula. So we'll do two sums based on this. Find the mean, median and mode for the data only. So class interval is given, frequency is given, so we'll write in the column way. So class interval, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, then the last one 80 to 100. Frequency 8, 10, 12, 6, 3. Any two you can calculate. No need of calculating 3. Any two you can. Usually the children will do median and mode only. If anybody feels mean also easy, they can go for that one. So first I will calculate mode only. Mode is the easy one. So mode means highest frequency, that is 12. So correspondingly I can find out the model class. So here model class I will write. Space is less only, I will write here. Model class equal to 40 to 60. Now correspondingly it is F1. So F1 equal to 12, F0 equal to 10, F2 equal to 6. Now what else we required by formula? L equal to 40, H equal to 20. Now we can write the formula for the mode. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what is L here? Okay. L equal to 40, F1 12 minus 10, 2 F1 that is 24 minus F0 10 minus 6 into H, that is 20 only. 40 plus 2 into 20 divided by 24 minus 16. Cancel here. So 40 plus 5 equal to 45. So what is mode now? Mode equal to 45. Now median I want. So median I want means what I can do? CF formula required 8, CF column. So 8 plus 10, 18, 30, 36, 39. Right? So here we have to find out a median class. So I will go back to that one. CF already calculated. Next, n by 2 we can calculate. N by 2 equal to 39 by 2. So above 19.5, which number is coming? 30 in CF column. So corresponding median class is 40 to 60. Next, L equal to 40, H equal to 20, CF is required, CF equal to 18, Next, frequency or the median class is required, that is 12 only. So again, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So L equal to 40 plus n by 2, 19.5 minus Cf, it is 18 divided by 12 into 20. So 40 plus 1.5 into 220 divided by 12. So 40 plus 1.5 into 20, that is 30 divided by 12, that is 40 plus 2.5, 42.5. So mode equal to 45 we got, then median equal to 42.5. It is not necessary that all the values are same. Next, 3 median. What is our empirical relation? 3 median equal to, by empirical formula, median equal to 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. So actually mean we have not calculated here. Mean we required, so 3 median minus mode divided by 2 equal to mean. So implies 3 into 42.5 minus 45 divided by 2 equal to mean. Implies 127.5 minus 45 divided by 2 equal to mean 82.5 by 2 equal to mean. Mean equal to 41.25. See, all the values are not same here. There may be slight variation is there. Nothing to worry about that one. So mode equal to 45. Median equal to 42.5. Then mean equal to 41.25. Find mean, median and mode of the data. Then class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125. Like that. The last class interval is 185 to 205. Frequencies are 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. One more question we can do for mean, median and mode of the data. Class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, like that. We are having the frequencies. Now class interval I have written the column method. So mean, median, mode we have to calculate. So I am going for this time mean only. So mean we have to xi we have to find out. 65 to 85, it is 75. Next 115, 135, 155, 175, then 185, sorry 195. Okay, so what is the assumed mean for here? It is 135 I am taking here. So I'll write here E, then di column xi minus 135. So it is minus 60, minus 40 minus 20 0 20 40 then 60. Next column is UI. UI means di by which number we can take. This 20 is there, right? It is common in all the terms. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. What is the next column? Fi UI. So just I'll put the tick mark. So minus 12, 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10, minus 13, 0, 14 into 1 14, 8 into 2 16, then 4 into 3 12. So when we add this, it is 35 with the minus sign. Here it is 32. So what is sigma Fi UI? So it is 42 only, and Fi UI equal to 7. What is sigma Fi? Sigma Fi equal to 68. So sigma Fi equal to 68, sigma Fi UI equal to 7, assumed mean equal to 135. Now what is the next step? We have to write a step deviation method. I have used here. By step deviation method, mean x bar equal to a plus h into sigma Fi UI divided by sigma Fi. It is equal to 135 plus 7 by 68 into 20 equal to 135 plus 5 4. So 35 by 17 equal to 135 plus 2.06 equal to 137.06. So we have calculated mean now. Now we can go for a median or mode. So median I am doing. So CI I'll write once again. CI is 65 to 85. So we completed a class interval and the frequency here. Now what is the next? CF we should write. CF is, because median we are going to do. If anybody wants to mode, they can do mode also. F4 9 22 42 56 64 68. So if we check, we already done in the case of mean, it is 68. What is the next step? N by 2 we should calculate. So what is n by 2? 68 by 2, that is equal to 34. So above 34 it is coming 42 in this one. So I'll write here, this is the F and CF. So I cannot write here, place is less only. So I'm writing here median class equal to 125 to 145. So lower limit equal to 125. H is equal to 20. N by 2 we have calculated. F equal to 20 again. Now CF I should write here, so 22. So what is median formula? Median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is L here? 125 plus 34 minus 22 by 20 into 20. So 20 will get cancelled. So 125 plus 137. So mean equal to 137.06 we got, and median we got 137. Now what is the our empirical relation? 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean only. Three median equal to mode plus 2 mean. So we are calculating mode here. This implies mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 into median is 137 minus 2 into 137.06. So 3 median equal to 3 into 137, which is equal to 411, minus 2 into 137.06, that is equal to 274.12. When you subtract, which is equal to 136.98. So we got the third answer also. Now mean equal to 137.06, median equal to 137, and mode equal to 136.98. So these are the values we got here, and more or less it is close to 137 only. So we can say that almost it is equal only, because we cannot say that always mean, median, mode value are equal. When we told mean, by the 3 method you will get the same answer, only mean. But here what happens, we are calculating mean, median and mode, but in all the 3 cases it may be same, it may not be same, maybe 2 are same, maybe 1 is different, like that we will get. Here we have calculated by empirical formula only. We can calculate mode by direct method also, if it's a formula method is there. But in exam what happens, you will not get the time to do all the 3 methods. So that time you can use empirical formula and you will get the mark also, there is no problem. But if we go for the real formula, what is the difference? Let us see. Here maximum frequency is 20 only, so model class is 125 to 145. So this is F1, here F0, F2, then model class is equal to 125 to 145, then L equal to 125, H is equal to 20 only. So the remaining everything we have marked. Now mode formula equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So 125 plus 20 minus 13 by 40 minus 13 minus 14 into H is 20. So 125 into 7 into 20, what is the denominator? 40 minus 27, so it is equal to 13 only, sorry, here plus. So 125 plus 140 divided by 13, which is almost 125 plus 10.76, that is equal to 135.76, approximately 136 only. So when the formula is applied, this will get the answer. So no one should take the tension. Empirical formula also you can use. There is a slight variation in the value depending upon the formula. Now what I just want to say that mean, median, mode also asked in the question papers, so that time you can use empirical relation also for doing the sum only. So anybody is interested to do 3 formula, they can do also. And median and mode we can do 1 class interval and 1 table, that is the CF only will come. Median and mode easily we can finish. Mean, it will take many steps, so you can use another table and complete. So with this I can tell you that whichever is the convenient way, you can adopt the measure for doing the sums. But the problem is that better we go with the formula, then it will be easy for you, and in case time is less, empirical formula you can use and you can complete. So practice more. All the three method we have completed.